इंग्लिश स्पीकिंग प्रैक्टिस केते सुंदर हाउ लवली होई पारे मे बी जीवाकु दियो लेट इट गो अनुसारे अकॉर्डिंग विथ कारणरू बिकॉज ऑफ जेकोसी प्रकारे बाय ऑल मीन्स किछि जल्दी नहीं नो हरी मोते कौन व्हाट टू मी बेसी किसी नुहे नथिंग मोर किछि संदेह नहीं नो डाउट केते आनंदर कथा हाउ जॉयफुल बस यथेष्ट एनफ निश्चिंत नुहे नॉट श्योर आश्चर्यजनक मार्वेलस बहुत बढ़िया वेल डन तुमको मध्य सेम टू यू मु मध्य मी टू केबे नुहे नो वे ताहा कौन व्हाट इज दैट दयाकरी चली जाओ प्लीज लीव कौन मु भूल थिली Was I wrong? मु जानी नहीं I don't know. यह को पियंतु Drink it down. चलो जीबा Let's go. मु पैसा देवी I will pay. रखिनियो यहाकू have it जो आम खाइबा कथा भी कहबा खाई नियो सेठी आम have it भी कहि परिबा बुझिगली got it कारणरू बा हेतुरू due to बोध हुए probably अत्यंत आनंददायक so delightful सावधान beware संवेदनशील भाव में कार्य कर act sensibly ना केबे नुहे no never आउ किछि अधिक anything more हाउ ठीक अछि all right मजा करो have fun मु भूली गली I forgot क्षमा करिवे excuse me, excuse me. किए जाने, who knows, who knows. ମୁଁ ଯୋଗ ଦେବି, I will attend, I will attend. କେତେ ଭଲ ବିଚାର, what an idea, what an idea. ଏହା ବହୁତ ଗରମ, it's so hot, it's so hot. ମୁଁ କହିଲି, I said, I said. ମୁଁ କହିବି, I will say, I will say. ସିଧା ହୋଇକି ବସ, sit up straight, sit up straight. ଧ୍ୟାନର ସହିତ ଦେଖ, watch carefully, watch carefully. ମୋତେ ଗୋଟେ ସୁଯୋଗ ଦିଅ, give me a chance, give me a chance. ତାଙ୍କୁ ମୋ ପାଖକୁ ପଠାଅ, send him to me, send him to me. କ'ଣ ଠିକ, what is right, what is right. ମୁଁ ଏହାକୁ ଖୋଜି ବାହାର କରିବି, I will find it, I will find it. ମୁଁ କେତେବେଳେ କହିଲି, when did I say, when did I say. କିଛି କାମ କର, do some work, do some work. ସେ ଘରେ ନାହାନ୍ତି, he is not at home, he is not at home. ମୁଁ ଘରେ ନଥିଲି, I was not at home, I was not at home. ସେ ତୁମକୁ ଡାକୁଛି, he is calling you, he is calling you. ଏହା ମୋର ପ୍ରତିଜ୍ଞା, it's my promise, it's my promise. ଆଉ ଟିକେ ଅଧିକ ନିଅ, have a little more, have a little more. ମୁଁ ତୁମ ପାଇଁ ଗର୍ବିତ, I am proud of you, I am proud of you. ଏହା ମୋର ବିଶେଷତା, it's my specialty, it's my specialty. ମୁଁ ତୁମକୁ ମେସେଜ କରିବି, I will text you, I will text you. ମୋତେ ବାଧା ଦିଅ ନାହିଁ, don't interrupt me, don't interrupt me. ଧୂଳି ପୋଛି ଦିଅ, wipe off the dust, wipe off the dust. ନିଜ ଉପରେ ବିଶ୍ୱାସ ରଖ, believe in yourself, believe in yourself. କିଛି କୁହ ନାହିଁ, don't say anything, don't say anything. That's it. Thank you so much for watching. Please like the video if you find it helpful and subscribe the channel if you haven't subscribed it. Thank you and take care. Please share this video with your friends and relatives and check other videos also.